Hi viewers, welcome back again on our official YouTube channel. Today we will explain our new product TC30 Max. Just because of customer demand, we upgraded TC10 Pro to TC30 Max. TC30 Max has 60 watt as a pair power. A new color as a rose gold body. Okay, let's unbox TC30 Max and check the power and luminance. These LEDs are suitable for all kind of vehicles. This is our product and give us feedback on our channel. If you're gonna buy Tobys LED, you visit Tobys. There are outlets and Dagamart. And if you're gonna buy through online, visit tobysouq.com, Amazon, Noon and Alibaba.